Hi, my name's June Kong, and I assume you're here because you typed in the question for a search. What is the difference between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy? What is the difference between Chapter 7 and 13 bankruptcy? First of all, let me introduce myself. Again, my name is June Kong. I'm a practicing attorney in California, and I've been practicing bankruptcy law for about 20 years. First of all, I need to give you a disclaimer that by giving you an answer to this question, I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm not your attorney. I'm not responsible for your situation. I'm simply answering a question and giving you a general overview and answer to that question. So, to get to the question at hand, what is the difference between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Essentially, Chapter 7 is what most people consider quote, straight bankruptcy, and that's where a debtor has little to no assets, but a lot of debt and little income, and needs a way to get out from under those debts. And so you file a Chapter 7 essentially to discharge dischargeable, mostly unsecured debts such as credit card debts, and then you can get a fresh start without the burden of those debts. Chapter 13 is designed for a debtor who has similar situation, has debts, but has a steady income, but the income is not sufficient to pay all the debtor's debts on a monthly basis. So Chapter 13 is designed primarily for a salaried or regular wage earner who has the ability to make payments over time to pay off a portion and sometimes even all of their debt with a payment plan with a set payment schedule, which can reduce interest and penalties. And if you're not able to pay off all those debts through the plan, then whatever debts are remaining after you complete your payment plan, which is generally between 3 and 5 years, then any remaining debt will be discharged at the end of your payment period in your Chapter 13 case. Obviously, once again, this is not legal advice specific to your situation. This is a general question and a general answer. If you really are considering bankruptcy, I would highly advise that you talk to a bankruptcy lawyer to assess your personal situation and give you specific answers for your circumstances, because there are also some pitfalls and issues and liabilities and asset concerns when you're filing bankruptcy, and you really need to get that analyzed and considered. So I hope that I've answered your question, and I hope that you found this information valuable. I thank you for coming to view my video. Also, if you're considering bankruptcy, I assume that you're in a situation that you need more income. Just to give you a little background on myself, I told you that I've been practicing bankruptcy law for almost 20 years now, and I found that the practice of law, while lucrative, is really very time intensive, and so I found a way to supplement my income with an online home business, and that allows me the freedom to be able to help out people, which is what I enjoy most about my work as a bankruptcy lawyer. I represent mostly debtors, and I can help people out. But I can do that on a part-time basis without having to charge and worry about fees like I'm doing now, and I can also enjoy the time freedom to spend with my family. If you need to supplement your income, or you need a way to try to increase or maybe replace your income, or another source of income, period, go to essentialtosuccess.com, or you can click the link below to find out more about how you can get started on your own online home business with a very low startup cost. Thank you for viewing my video and coming to my channel, and I hope that this answered your question. I wish you the best.